One of the new things that we're coming up with in 2022 and 2023 in an effort to support the airports and, as we said earlier, create that real partnership with them, is we are coming up with maintenance schedules for each of our airports that has a bed. The maintenance schedule I will have, you will have, people internally will have, and it is basically a guideline of what needs to happen when it comes to the maintenance, repair, and upkeep of your bed. So there will be no questions. You'll understand exactly when it's coming. I will also get those reminders. Mike, my partner, will also get reminders on this so that we can start preparing and start having those conversations with you pretty early on. That way we can always stay ahead because we always know that's the key. Okay. Maintenance kits will include seamless tape, caulk, adhesive, and all the things you do to make minor monthly repairs to your bed. And we're really excited about this because that makes it really easier. It'll be a one-handy kit. You just walk along your bed, you see a problem, you deal with it right then. No memory needs to be done. There's no report that needs to be done. You're just simply doing routine stuff. It's no different than changing your oil in your car or cleaning your windshield. It's that simple. So we're really excited to be offering those in 2022 and 2023.